creepy basement. There's a wild Justin in the elevator.
See, all the floor buns were replaced.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even let it close all the way.
Yeah. Elevator Industries. Check the phone, please. This one has one. Right here, I got the this. Send it to one. That was quick in the up direction. Here's the bathroom.
Thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.